다 될래야 다 배워 간식 전에야 도마르지 취이게고 소생감이 구린라 취이게고 소생감이 구린라 상계 때문에 오니에 네 취이게고 소생감이 구린라 네 상계 때문에 다시게요 아들이 중요해 그래 그게 주산에 아니 저도 중요해 소생감이 구린라 별로 저도 중요해 도마르죠 다 될래야 가지고 저도 중요해 대 도마르죠 텔라 세 미준사도 중요해 다 될래야 로규마 저기 세 미준마 메트로그레사로 메트로다 미준다 다 될래 차게 디지 장아 미준마 용대 야래 강다리야 가르소레디 급지 주산에 용다라라 다 급지 주산에 접중 포메 되니가 소그래 디주산은 게 서바 차비는 덴덴 접중 포에 될래야 되네 소소타베게 동바타다 자원은 신기 접중 뭐에 될래야 소소타베게 동바타다 제기를 삼으로 이제기 이시시기
In the snowland of Tibet, the teachings of Buddhism were first introduced during the time of the Dharma king Sonsen Gampo. And then later, during the time, during the realm of the Dharma king Trisun Detsen, they spread and flourished. And it was at that time, during the reign of King Joseon Tetsun, that the community of monastics was first instituted in Tibet. And so the history books tell us of the 7 men for testing, who were the first Tibetans who became a monastic. Now, different history books will tell us different things. Some say that there were 6, some say that there were 7. So there are different numbers, but in any case, it was at that time that the monastic community was instituted. And at that time, we also know that both the male monastic sangha and the female monastic sangha were both initiated at that time. Now, at that time, just as there was for the male monastic sangha, the complete vows of the individual liberation were given, I also believe that at the same time, the complete vows were also given to the female monastic community.
Tene temba chidar sore kevo lang thame gi da temba nup so marmeta kanda tijegi tembe gi temba lya ji kanda phaje simru chungje dije lya da tembe miru men su sena da zo thamjun diwe temba de la sha marapse da dizu tujigadin den tembe miru men su ne 다가다 템바 치다사 충분해. 템바 치다르기 값이냐 덴덴지 그메 러드 총이. 가도 루규 사 동르 디즈나로래야. 다 사게기 동규 세물든데 러드 총 개롱마도 먹고. 제가 값디디 깜디 인준에 개롱면 domba 가서 모셔 아소사 내가 로규나로 사게 동르레 자베 이상레 나 디즈나로래야 그 세워야 됩시 다나신 디디 로저 렌제 상벽이 점신세마 싱 어디내지 결혼만 더 받으려 로규 너들 쉬어야 되비므래 제가 갑디디스안에 나가는 갑디 갑도 와봐 이제 뭐지 결혼면 너무 보셔 다 많이 봐야 봐 야나 결혼면 너무 나왜 쇠 봐. 니지 있어요.
After the king Langdharma tried to eliminate the Buddhist teachings, there was the time called the later spread of the teachings in Tibet, a time when the teachings of Buddhism were revived and restored. The teachings of the Vinaya were revived by the great Lama Gompa Rabsel. He revived and restored them. And at that time, it seems that definitely there were female monastics at that time, according to the histories. If we look at the histories of the lineages, of the family lineages of the Sakya tradition, then there are stories about how the sisters of some of the great Sakya Lamas also took the Bhikkhuni vows. And it is said that at that point, there was the ritual for giving the vows was current at that point. And so this is clear from looking... Excuse me, it was not a sister, it was a daughter. Daughters of some of the Sakya masters also took the Gelongma vows. And so we know that at that time there was the ritual for conferring the Bhikkhuni vows. This is clear in the histories of the Sakya lineage masters as well as in other historical documents. And also there is, in history, it is recorded that the sister of the great translator Rinchen Sangpo also became a Bhikkhuni. And so it seems fairly clear that at that point there either was a living tradition of conferring the Bhikkhuni vows or there was another manner of conferring the vows.
ngari gi kapti dusane ngari liya wongyur nangenge hala mai yishe ku ta de tizue gi ka de ning basam kai ning ba de de sa tho yo tizue na lo da dusane ji gebe gi cham do da ta na sing gi rig thombe gi pomotinde 다나 신기 미마기 만트에기다 분명히 결혼에 domba 쉰데베이나 아주 domba 슈쭈고레사로 근데기 거의 여봐 다디 근데 나랑 제소 아주 인도스탄 간다야 거기 인도스탄에 템바 시다르기 또 안다나신 템바시다게 당고 주고다 나나신기다 템바시다 파르게 좀 디즈리아 안 바지 가주에지 텐데지 로드 총에기 로중메도 데다 라버도 gelome 데 오예스레 삼바로 데기 어 쳐바치 되어 투스투스
Likewise, in the histories of the area of Ngari, there was in the histories of the Hlalama Yeshe who exerted power over that area. There are some documents that show that at that point the wives of the kings, as well as the several women from high castes and many women from common classes of society, were, if they wanted to take the Bhikkhuni vows, were allowed to take the Bhikkhuni vows. So these documents exist, and I have seen them. And so in any case, we can say that in the early part of the later spread of the teachings, at the beginning of the spread of the later spread of the teachings, and also from time to time in between, we can say that definitely there was a female monastic community, and in particular there was a community of many bhikkhunis, and this is an area that we can do research in.
Tatane kama bokundi juege takabre tijusan tuiro kaze 주주바스 인도라 다 가세 까마 군지 주베기 까브제다 데세 주주 치부르세 디까블이야全백이 조다 샤말 군지 주베 취원주 응월업체 까마 군지 주베기 라마르 큐바 키루 까마 참메기 되네 공기 조모스나 나도 다도 조모스아디 감게라 주마테서라 조모스거다 감베룸을 마체를 주마테서 조모스거래 조모스아디 셰사 첨부를 지미기처럼 우마디 디 뽐보디솔라 조다 되네 뽐보디 좀 주모디솔이야 조모스 대 가르쳐 버렸으나 달 인지게라 로드를 지어라다 로드 공부 잠내는 비싸르 그런 아주 조샤겸을 사서 줄라한 쇼베 되는 조샤겸이 꿀이양 아주 조스라고 하데 규zen이야 잠내는 공부도 아 다든지 이미 인상 되게 조샤겸을 쉬어 봐 제상 조무 릴레이션게 디주체도 참 조무를 주지 이제요 다들 조무를 같이 가서다지 아주 지주와 조목체도 지주제야 다 디주 거도와 가르쳐도 sana 유장 타외 신감나 차근 얘기야 적응만서 겁지 뒤산에 유장래야 자외 공부를 조명 공부만 해야 돼 조명 공부 디주나는 예배 조모 디주이냐 다지 기준 상승 som으로 근데 좀 대봐 근데 막 고야래지 근데 세제 소요하래 디디스 갑 디디스 안에 디디 뒤에 치고도 제대네 갑 디디 유장라 자외 공부를 조명 공부만 해야 봐 조명 공부 디주나로래 다 간다 지 조명 공부 해야 되지다 기준 상승 기준 내가 되는 좀 해야 돼 근데 그거 소요하래 되게 루주시에는 대양 까담배 공부 마부지 치수 조명 공부 차서 대차에 균세시 주사네 루주가시는 균세시 주사네 우마우마 까담배 공부 지게 까담배 공부 되서를 지 모팀스나들이 디 공배나로야 디 부면 좀이 줘 같은데 이게 팀 근데 수고하다 모팀스 모팀 담배 주사네 부면 컨트롤 르지 가시지 공배난 좀 주고서 공배난 좀 주 인두사 컨트롤만 돼서 안티지 가셔야지 컨트롤만 돼서 뒤 툭쳐야네 다네 말람 짓자면 키라즈 공부 탐정 아주 신도와 쇼스 말람 잡셔야 되잖아 뒤 툴을 때네 그래서 딱 안다 까담배 공부 많지 조명 공부 주명 공부 차서 어다 딘데 인두산 딘데 윤세면로 딱 안다야 급디디 까마 참에 위산을 펴변 내가라 자외 공부래 아니 조명 공부 망아요 봐 나 딘데 니주 순여베 임라
Later, during the time of the 10th Karmapa, it was probably the late 16th century or thereabouts. In any case, it was a later period. At that time, there was a Karma Chakme, who was an actual student of the 6th Shama Rinpoche Chögyal Wangchuk and the 10th Karmapa Chögyal Dorje. And at that point, he wrote a mountain dharma for the ladies. Now, when we say ladies here in Tibetan, it's jomo. This is in Kham dialect. It's a very respectful way of referring to women, like referring to chieftains or kings. And so it's a very respectful way of referring to nuns at that point. It's like the same reason why when we talk about the Jowo statue of Shakyamuni in Lhasa, we call it the Jowo, or the Lord Shakyamuni. And so in the same way, the word Jomo was used to refer to nuns in a very respectful fashion. Now, at that time, there is also a saying that in central Tibet, in Uzang, there were more nunneries than monasteries. And within those nunneries, there were many nuns who were learned, wise, and good. And so at that point, we can tell that there were many nunneries in the central area of Tibet. And so there were even more of them than there were monasteries. And so for that reason, Karma Chapme wrote the Mountain Dharma for the ladies, or for the nuns. And there were definitely many nuns there who had all the qualities of being learned, venerable, and wise. And it is said that the reason why there were so many nunneries in Uzang at that point is that in the past, many of these nunneries had been Kadampa monasteries. And the reason that they changed into being nunneries is that at first, during the time of the Kadampa masters, the Kadampa masters had a very strict rule that women were not allowed to enter the monasteries. And so there were some women who were kinds of dakinis. And these dakinis got rather annoyed that they were not allowed to enter the monasteries. And so they made the aspiration, in the future, may we gain control over your monasteries. And so because of this aspiration, in the future, many of these Kadampa monasteries later became nunneries. And so, in any case, during the time of Karma Chapme, we know that in the area of Uzang, central Tibet, that there were more nunneries than monasteries.
제가 니주 가시 루규 용자토를 매비네야 간다 유연이 되면서 루규 용자토를 시작해야 도나 든제기 니주다 간다 고마이나 이제 유연되버려 샤드린 주산에 디 윤센 때네 초진에 지 가수에 가수 개방하모 별의 의미는 든제기 간다 주메 대당 주메 대디 주나로래야지 퇴섬 롬녀샤여바다 다는 신기 다 곰냠네 네 주바탑에게 내주마다 다는 신기 주마망보들이 총이면에 이내 다들 루유 용자토를 메두스탄에 미참에지 딜이야 토난로다 미세기디 가수에 용자를 스케 차요 말에 디차메비네 차유면은 마되바 다간다 되지 뭐지 종류여버데 아주 하고 가야 돼 계심으로시 제마도 미가시 3년 나로래야 다다당아도 두렴 유스지베 체 에는데지 점물이 비준 즉 타녀를 치 되네지 누쇼베 슈게 대소 대야 샤조 계급다 지조 나노를 태연주산 아니 신내지 범에 대sol지 가르소에 톱단 인사로지 다 범에게 장화사로 신내지 제대로마다 오마다 가르소에 에셰 롱바 라바도 페르소 발라 자와니네 지 가르소에 주머디솔리아 톱단 매방 야나 디솔리아 진타로 간 메데베소 진지지 삼동안데 디즈 논주르시면 로섬로지 우마는 지제데 세브샤레 아니 두산에 다 다지기 주메 군주들이 소야데 지단다 주메 군주 안조 베나 주메 긴장 군주사 다다가 초도 초심을 텔레소보다 주메 군주 장 군주에 대해 열심을 해야 돼 있다 의미네 상부디 뇽차의 교마도 마차의 교매의 인도사는 아주 늘리네야 이제 파만 대심을 구주신 이제 수그래 다디 주거대양 나르 이제 표 간증 중으로 다다 공도 쉬는 신기 주매 대당 ane dāna zūme dāna shingi tuyasaṁ gōngsō ñamne nāngiñgi zūma dāna nēnzhōma kēshi chūpa nyēma dāndā māngbō chōngyēba 대주기 남다른 상불이야 미디어 야대체네 아주 이내야 되는 시지 제고도 원주의 공면남들 진주도 제념을 숨는 시 된지기 처지네 삽도 지고 뭐인 봐 원주의 담번 남기 남다른라 미디어 야대체네 자 된지기 가서에 지상으로 당시 아주 레슨을 되지 배워 대야 시행하되 계시면도 성공.
Now, history such as this may not be very well known, but it does exist. These stories are true. And so from one perspective, we can say that in the old times in Tibet, there was a thriving community of nuns who had the opportunities to study, to listen and contemplate, and to practice meditations. There are many yoginis and many other great nuns who achieved realization and accomplishment through their practice. So these stories are not well known these days, and people do not take so much interest in them. But whether or not these stories are well known, we do know that this was the case. So for this reason, since these stories are not well known, there are people who think that now in the 21st century, as the world has grown smaller and the connections have grown between different countries have grown closer, some people think that the West is having an influence on the East, and that only beginning now is there discussion of women's rights and independence of women and so forth. But if we look at the history, we see that in the past, in Asian countries, and in particularly in Tibet, it is a mistake to think that in these Asian countries there were no rights for women and no presence of women's issues. It is very clear that this did occur in the past from the histories. And so when we think about winter Dharma gatherings for the nuns, of course there is the Chang winter Dharma gathering, or Chang Guncha for the nuns. It is still continuing. But this is a question of there being too little of a good thing, not too much of a good thing. And so for that reason, we have started this Arya Chema winter Dharma gathering. And so, as I've already said, within the nuns community in Tibet in olden times, there was a great community of nuns who engaged in learning, contemplation, and meditation, and there were many opportunities for that. And so, in one sense, we need to look to that as an example for ourselves and do what they have done. So it is not just a question of looking around at what is happening now. We need to look and see what the great nuns of the past have done, and do as they have done ourselves. And so that is one aspect of what we need to do that is very important to keep in mind.
No. Tenang azulia shesuer jiara. Jaza jadam demasha in samane. The giza di Kensabrusto. Taimbine dati Chosine the the Barje Jogyo Sas. Barje Sun Quiet. Tene Karsadi the Duda Tambe Gavlia, Duden Alolea, Jilim Chuin Alole, Jino Milos Zaristoy, Ipumba Imbalelova, Maimbalelova, Imbalelova said. Tade Karesana Chavachu Singigi. Karzadi, Shesu, ngoma sangpul lebe ani tangbo ani gomba ne chabe aras tena ani disu san rigba shushu aras yasa ta telea be gindu de rodushu de zugo dusan ani disu tanen karshore da ji run karshore pa rochi maras ta de indusane soba jana laki maras tene indusan ta telebe disu 고고요 아서만 되지리 츠기 베파 고고요 탑시를 되네 분바 임발로 봐 임발로 오스만 뭐지 이놈이로 뭐 셰드레스 된다는 다당 안에서 저바게 두산 깜바답 라바답 지도와 다디서 아니 실기네 아체 아니 디서 빠땅 안라체 된 깜바답 라바답 근데 제브레스 다디 셰드르 절 다디다 데마 있으면 깜바답 라바답 샤디 우마네 ngolo chimbe kamne ngansu di kadam gi 가랭고 가담디 파주 부주네 마네 다가다 가담 파주 부주디는 나면로 주가담 베게 가서 조 가담 베게 잔진주인 배바도 잘루다는 와 잘루다는 배chen 된 조제기 롬된 말라다 자 가르조에 최단 tumbe 잘루당 걸이야 건진난 주산 디디 롬된 베게 최단 tumbe 잘루당데 니제 인체제 조리야 가르조에 마야 갈렌푸 디게 나게 다 루기 넘겨 된다 텔라 배체네 되네 가르조다 올라서기 디 성분유 더 최대 더말다베가 그래서 텔라 배체네 되네 루기 넘겨 저바체가 루기 넘겨 된다는데 가담비 최기 잔대주 이게 넘겨다 단 뒤에 서버 인스턴에 송와 다나 신기 더 성분유 더데 더리아 지 주메 공부 차도한테 시수 기재인 사람은 뒤에는 주메 공부 예비지다 텔라야한테는 두제리보다 지 체면 조단 중마들이 시다샤 예비 기재야만 시수 올라서 전부 단 뒤기데 균진 차와주기 생겨서 뒤주구도 구진을 때네 되는지 우세 생긴 기능에서 우마다 세마 송도 되네 지 저가 릴람 동아요다 지 퇴섬차요 된데기 루스 균 신이 주버를 세마 뒤에는 지 저가 시비데 릴람 동아 시비데 기지 시야요 만에 안데 인두산에 뒤에래야 뉴아다 즈에디소 다 오조즈 유스레 마도베기 우마다 세마도 시다 예베기지요 근데 디수 다가 미카데버지기 다 다가스 지가르 셰데베 수셰샤 다 간다래 디 가르친 거라서나 주초진이 가르친 것도서나 다 주마데도 디드네 디스 가르로지 릴미여버 충면로서 지 충면인 지 산소의 셰빈데 충면로서 다 이네 디르 셰알 다디 지게몰로 계저르셰샤 다 이네 tin상야 주마데 주기 다 단도 게모실람이나 tin상 주마데 주기야 깜발라바다 주마데 주기다 지게베 다 잡아시기냐 쳇도 봐 깜발라바다고 여러서는 다 버진 지금엔로
We have an anecdote in Tibetan, and it's kind of a strange anecdote. It's not 100% true, but if we think about it from one aspect, this is about the Tibetan logic teachings. In talking about the collected topics. There's one portion of the collected topics where we debate about something being the opposite of not existing, or the opposite of existing, or the opposite of avas, or the opposite of not avas, and so forth. This is a very confusing part of the collected topics. And so the story of this is that there was a great Tibetan scholar named Chapa Chögyal Sengye. There was a time when there were Dharma gatherings at some nunneries, and the monks didn't want to go to these because they would have debates, and the nuns were really good at logic, and so the monks were all afraid to go to debate with the nuns who were so good at logic. And so at that point, they instituted this part of the logic teachings, saying that it's the opposite of Nadavas, the opposite of the opposite of Nadavas, and so forth, in order to make it confusing and to confuse the nuns. And also at that point, that's when they started, when we do debate in Tibetan, we stomp our feet and we clap our hands. And the reason for doing this, according to the anecdote, is that this is so that the monks would frighten off the nuns in this manner. And so this is just a story. It's probably actually not true. Actually, if we look at it in terms of the histories of the Kadampa lineage, there's a story about how about how during the time of Atisha, Atisha asked Drontrempa to determine a way to serve tea that was in accord with the Dharma, so the way for the Tibetans to serve tea. And so then Drontrempa initiated this way of serving the tea that then became a model for how one acts while doing a debate. And so basically, that way of using your body, of expressing yourself with the body, comes from that Kadampa tradition of serving the tea. And also, as we when we look at it during the time of the Kadampa masters, at that time there was not a whole lot of debate about Madhyamaka and the topics of validity at that point. That happened later, starting from the time of Ngot Lotsawa and Chapachugi Shedda. It's from then Chapachugi Senge. From that time on, there was debate about logic and about the topics of Madhyamaka and validity. But before that, there really was not much. There was some study of the Vinaya and of the Abhidharma. They were pretty good in that, but there was little study of Madhyamaka or logic. And so it seems that this anecdote about the nuns is just what some people who are able to talk fastly would say. At any case, if we look at this anecdote on the bright side, what we can see, what it shows is that the nuns of that time were considered very intelligent. And if we look at it from another perspective these days, with all the nuns stomping their feet and clapping their hands, this is probably to frighten off all the monks now.
다들 다들인데 때는 밀루리지 손두자네 때 밀루리지 셰버들이야 되나조니 대견 주주삼의 밀루rum부체 대 된샤와도 녀벌가와 균세 산한다도 된 넘버 2
Now for today's topic, talking about the line... Today we'll be talking about the working basis. The precious human life is excellent. And there are 3 topics about here. These are about how, first, identifying what we mean by the precious human life with its 8 leisures and 10 resources. The second section is the difficulty to obtain this. And the third is of its great benefit.
Namri Mambio Nalolaya, Tenjur Tenshawa de Wondersum, Dijelea Nieberkawa Sungare, Karesana, Tenshawa Nieberkawa Samadi, Discaleha Yores.
In most texts on the stages of the path, it teaches the great benefit, and then following that teaches the difficulty to obtain the human life. And the reason for this is that in comparison to the great benefit, it is more difficult to understand how difficult it is to obtain.
얘네 답을 타긴 디나를 그래서 텐줄 예버가도 공연도 송 텐줄 된차와도 제일 송유베 송유가 잡으시도.
But in this jewel ornament, the difficulty to find is, or difficulty to obtain is described first, and then the great benefits.
다들라지 텐저기 뭐 소서 말베. 다 텐저기 밀루 시두자네. 디 컨디지 텐저기 밀루 스케레스 슈비나.
Now, in identifying the essence of the human body with its leisures and resources, we first have to find out what is it that is a human body with the leisures and resources.
대한 도마르지 텐저를 사야돼. 탈 사야돼 가르에서나 최주백이 최주발라 콤밤 최주롱예밤 주베 고급예밤 진짜 미찬에 탈 순거 아래서.
The first aspect is leisure, and leisure here means that you have the leisure to be able to practice the Dharma, or the time, or the opportunity to practice Dharma, and so that's what we mean by the leisures.
Tenen Joros suade chudrube chinangi tunge chinang tungeam chagen zombe chane Joros sungaras.
The second word is resources, and this refers to the external and the internal conditions or facilities that you need in order to practice the Dharma.
근데 이미 유저 최주백의 고가범 최주백의 롱다 콤바이나 대화 상황이 말에 자와 컨디지 싸매이냐 이 최기 튕겐들 좀 최기 차겐들 좋은도나 저래야 된 상황이면.
And so, if you have the opportunity or the time or the leisure to be able to practice the Dharma, that is what we mean by leisures. And if you have all of the external things and whatever you do allows you to practice the Dharma, then you have the resources.
밀류 탑장 되네 센데 코나 주베이나 되네 텐저기 돼 성경 말에.
If you have gained a human body and yet you only do things for the sake of this life, then you have not really fulfilled the meanings of the leisures and resources.
어떤 네임이 유저 디규제 되네 다 텐저로사 고아데 수수 띵리아 고르니 라나 텐저기 최적의 창도의 미도 따지체 대량 따지 제발라야 다 텐주적의 수수수기 뭐 신고에 말에 네 뉴스안에 디규제는 되네 되네 라로 치링 하다는 지사죠와 예선순 냐이다 tun주다 라로 치링 하다는 수반의 신기 된제게 다가는 미군바 시당 되네 로다제한당 라소 다 된제게 가르쳐야지 수수수수 뇌소네 대다 탐지 다 전도다 민도 다시 치고 이 말해서.
And so that is how we should understand the leisures and resources. And we need to examine ourselves and see within ourselves, do we have all of these resources? So for that reason, we need to look and see, do we have all of the 18 leisures and resources within ourselves? And in order to do that, we need to identify which each of these 18 leisures and resources are. And so for that reason, for example, as it says in the verse, the hells, hungry ghosts and animals, barbarians and long-lived gods, these are the 4 external ones, and then external leisures, and then the holding wrong views, the absence of a Buddha and being mute, these are the 8 unfavorable conditions. So we need to identify each of them, and then we also need to see whether we are included within those categories or not.
Simjen tamji sangi nyingbu chingine nyawa yidala solo nga charaki sangi drubi nubachi nubachi yinam shana mayinde milu rinpochi shecha lu tenjur namida dema sem teba namsunda dema de sangi drubi tengi kasado sango techebala tewa tani jobada ishen duyada tangwade Luni de semnesum, Tanga in Tensho du Shabade. Tela Taiwan and Migumba Yeda Chao, Migumba Yen, Dochamban Yesha. Yawa Yeda, to do the Lalo Singing Ladan, Lord Sangi Gidom. Kuban did I Mihumgi, Jesu so.
In describing as a working basis, the precious human life is excellent. To explain this, all sentient beings have Buddha nature. That being the case, do all beings in the 5 realms, as hell beings, hungry ghosts, and so forth, have the capacity to work toward enlightenment? No. Only a precious human life, which has the 2 qualities of leisure and endowment, and a mind which holds the 3 faiths, has a good basis to work toward enlightenment. The summary: leisure and endowment, trust, longing, and clarity, 2 of the body and 3 of the mind, these 5 comprise the excellent working basis. The first, leisure. Leisure means being free from the 8 unfavorable conditions. These 8 unfavorable conditions are mentioned in the Sutra of the Sublime Dharma of Clear Recollection. Hell, hungry ghost and animal, barbarian and long-lived gods, holding wrong views, the absence of a Buddha, and being mute. These are the 8 unfavorable conditions.
Dadala migomba ge sundusane telaya nasi yawa chana mima yimbi migomba shi mi yimbi migomba shi sungare.
These are the 8 states that lack leisure, and among them, if we classify them further, there are 4 of not being human and 4 that apply towards humans.
Datela mima yimbi migomba shide nyawa yida tunjo nyawa yida tunjo Tene Lazarimbo Yawaida Tundo Lazarimbo De Mima Migombashi.
The 4 absences of leisure for the non-humans are being born in the hells, the hungry ghosts, the animals, or among the long-lived gods.
Kadine Tea Nyawaida Tundusumdi Nesosumdiche Tadela Hatsarin was the Adela Nguyenzinda There's the Smara on the Are.
Now, the hell beings, hungry ghosts, and animals are the 3 lower realms, but there are different ways that we can identify the long-lived gods.
Dida chidar migomba inshana Nyawana tad dungawe ranjin bi chidang Yidane semtsiwe ranjin bi chidang Tundune kundu mongba shiri chewe chiri Teta sumzera yang waza meba da te mewe Gumurumbo Juvis, Chenyamsalem, Kogameva, Yinos.
In what way are these conditions unfavorable? In the hell realms, beings have the nature of constant suffering, hungry ghosts are tortured by contentiousness, animals are mostly overpowered by stupidity. All three of these have no modesty and no concern for what others think. Their mind streams are improper vessels, therefore they have no opportunity to practice the Dharma. The long-lived gods abide in a non-conceptual state where all mental activities have ceased. Therefore, they have no opportunity to practice the Dharma.
Yana dongam yahla raya indi miladena hla sering wichiro. Yana hla samjege mingomba indi negab ji dewala chane gewala meba mingom chero.
Alternatively, it is those in the God realms, the desire realm, because they have longer lives than humans, or alternatively to that all gods have unfavorable conditions because they're attached to temporary happiness and have no time to make effort for the Dharma.
That legally, Allah said, Mustadlia, when that is Madrasunche. Do she never pass the Zane? Midrasun, that inane, Dangam Jala Tamjela, Hatser Musad, and Dangam Jala Tamjela Quayevdi. Also, Shittingi Gandejore, Shittingi Gande Yargi Kevezam, Shittingi Gandejore. Tin Alolea, Carson Arsana, Dushi Meba Patam. Tene Sumeva Shavata. Tene Dana Singi, Lovin Bogi, Dangamji, Latamzela Sumba. Tene Lung Chili Trevor Lunsa Jar, Chili Trevor Lunsa Dina Lolea, Tene Latamjiga, Migum Shava, that J on the Ore.
And so here we have different ways of identifying the different types of long-lived gods. One way is to talk about it being the gods who are in the state of non-conception. And another way of understanding it is referring to all of the gods of the desire realm and so forth. Now, in an ancient Sanskrit commentary on Nagarjuna's letter to the friend, it is identified as being the gods in the state of non-conception as well as those in the formless realm, identifying it as being those two categories. The master Pao refers to it as explains it as referring to all the gods of the desire realms. And then there is another scripture that explains it as referring to all of the gods. And the primary reasons for explaining them as being unleisured states is because they are not appropriate bases for taking the vows of individual liberation, and also because of being careless. In Kunchen Pema Karpo's commentary on the Way of Bodhisattva and other texts, all gods are presented as being long-lived gods.
Di nalo le ya dine ya hla thamjel mugo wa hla chira ba di na ne ya su me be na ne ya dushi me mi hla khona le ang wi jina de sre 다 니네야 다지 군케 베마카베 송 마첸 알올레야 라 탐제리야 가르 라센 룸보 체제 과 구유여디 바지 슈체르 소능멘로
Now, there was a student of Kunchen Pema Karcha named Khenpo Sanya Dorje, and in his own responses to his own questions about Mahamudra, he wrote that the long-lived gods does not refer to all of the gods, but it refers to particular gods. And so he says that it refers in particular to the gods of the formless realm, and especially to those on the level of neither conception nor non-conception. However, in the writings of Kunchen Pema Karpo, it generally refers, long-lived gods generally refers to all the gods, and so we can say that this is the stronger position.
tenjugi milude hlale hlabe lude sa de sunguyare Hindustan ta kandar chödrubege luden la hlale hlabe imbichi ta deji ko kwa la yobimbre.
In any case, we can understand that the human body with its leisures is a bodily support that is superior to the support of the gods for practicing the Dharma.
다트네 미미고 시셰 주사네 나당보들이야 밀게베 이네야 드네지 가르에 extreme 섬으로 따와로와 다와 타시 최대 레유들이 미제바 캐 밀레마 다 딘제기 지 가라제 루스 다 루스에나 딘제기 다 김상 딘제기 미규스 게베 로다제 딘제기 게베네 최주베 고가메 요마데스 다드네 야다 디지시에다.
And then there are the non-leisured states of the humans, and the first of these is having wrong views. And so this is that you were born as a human, but you have an extreme view of misconceptions and wrong views, a nihilistic or eternalistic view, and say perhaps you do not accept the Dharma, or you do not accept karma, cause and effect, or past and future lives. And so that is having a human body, but being born in a household or in a family or an ethnic group where you do not have any opportunity to develop a proper view.
대회나 다들 미동에 파섬들이 인데 kola gewa gewanyu rangi nga ye shiwanyu simjini niji gewanyu debele lanzimshi gewala gawanyu chansu simbi chobala jubu lege shenya dungen yuende ni gewe chikbu sewarchi kola bala niji di lanzimshi gela ga she sunzu tedarna rowa rikshila tawa mebar shewa yinu mi indu singa lalo ni gibu tambada cheba gawe chiru loda jeni gewalam turida tarbe gyuru matawe chiru 상기 기동비 지den기 감수 개반 지den도 개반에 자와다 차이면 템버 잡아 매베치로 쿠바네 리버샤바다 네버셰베 최 르니기 인셰버 미니베치로 대달 개보다다 자원 대화부순 서버시 자와오스.
Therefore, the small amount of suffering that a human experience has great qualities, because from it we get a sense of sadness and samsara. It pacifies our arrogance. It causes us to cultivate compassion toward all sentient beings. It causes us to like virtuous deeds and abstain from negative actions. Engaging in the conduct of bodhisattvas says, furthermore, suffering has good qualities. Though through being disheartened with it, arrogance is dispelled. Compassion arises for those in cyclic existence. Evil is shunned and joy is found in virtue. This is the explanation of how the four non-human realms have no leisure. Even though they are human beings, barbarians have difficulty meeting spiritual beings. Those who hold wrong views cannot understand that virtuous deeds are the cause of higher rebirth or liberation. When one is born at a time when the Buddha is absent, then there is no teacher who can explain what is to be done and what is to be given up. Mute or stupid persons cannot understand the teachings on virtue or non-virtue. When one is free from all 8 of these conditions, it is called the excellent leisures.
Top the lalo, Chidun Jamil Zava. Love Dugin. Today on the yard, sitting in Alo Yemina, Tini Chidun Jamil Zava, Carjoy. Top of the lalo, Chidun Jamil Zava. Ta the lalo Sidusane, getting one Mesheva. Energy Jave Gata, Sangi Deba. Meva Tagoji, make Gidilo Momba, that the Delebeji Kogo you say. Tene Cuba Sandusane, Chevina, Langin, Cuba, Wada Lambala Soba. Dagada Lude, Wambu, Gala Denergy, Chudrube, Koga Meva, Chudrubala Gange Deva. That's in Jig. And that the day that Anna Shingi, Mumbe Gavam, Sangi Temple Nubeki, Sashos Gava. Today, Tone, Kokashweji, Chudrube, Koga Meva Sobtadra, the day that Miri Gaga, Chudrube, Koga Mebe, that Nedarum Kashisho on the audit.
Now, not believing in karma, cause, and effect is holding a wrong view. And for the barbarians, there are 2 ways that this can be understood. In the Sutra 3 sections, the barbarians and those who live in borderlands are identified separately, but in the letter to a friend by Nagarjuna, they're identified as being the same. In any case, it refers to people who are unable to distinguish virtue from wrong, who live in places where the Buddha's teachings have not spread, and are ignorant of karma, cause, and effect, and unable to distinguish right from wrong. Then the next category is those who are mute or stupid. These are the people who are dumb and who are unable to speak or understand. In brief, it refers to those people who, because of problems in their faculties, either have no opportunity or have great difficulty in understanding the Buddha's teachings. And so then there are also people who live in dark lands, that is, lands where the Buddha's teachings have not spread, and where they have, or who live in a time when when the Buddha's teachings have not spread and or have disappeared, and so therefore have no opportunity to practice the Dharma. And so in brief, these are the unleisured states of people who are born as humans and yet have no opportunity to practice the Dharma.
Andona Namjuji Tawaje se Yonsu Tadevredina, Tundun, Dam Mikumba, Geda Tewajilia, Tals, Kanget Tana, Mikumba Geda Tevechane, Tewam, Kobas. The name Dusane Donna, Suzurani Dalaji, Nyawada, Suzuki Simgulia, Lojo Gablia. Nyawala Kevina, Saranga Dunge, Tabu Nene, Swede David, Negab, Kizija Mebre, the name Tari Tela Magavala Dene, Chudrubegi, Da Tawaji, the Chudrubeg, Kongabji, Do Samne, the Degeta, Chudrubeg Kogab, Yansen, the Diginia Teleaji, Gawa Gom, Telea, Draw Geva in Bereso.
And so these are the 8 leisures that we talk about. In other words, these are being free of the 8 unleisured states, and that's what we refer to as the leisure or the opportunity to practice. And so, in brief, what we need to do is look within ourselves. And when we think about the unleisured state of the hell beings, for example, we need to, in order to train our own mind streams, we need to contemplate how in the hell realms, because of the suffering of heat and cold and so forth, one has no opportunity to practice that. And then we need to see that we ourselves are free of that state, and therefore we have the leisure or the opportunity to practice the Dharma. We need to recognize that this is an amazing opportunity and then rejoice and delight in it.
미군바 개부 컨루 미베이네야 야지 최드베 띵도 마케와 최드 미토바 다든제게 때 류데 지점게 상황이네야 최드베 땡도 마케와 최드베 땡도토도 마송 드레지 이메네 대야다 미군바 차디요 알아서 텔라야 남주 미군바 구바사 중국어 미군바 구바사 다 진상만 외운데요. 가르쳐서는 미군비 예보 탐지다 차이네요. 다지 비 가르센디 남이기 차외 인상으로 다지베 디자 인지겔 비지르 차제 근데가 토하는지 내가 먹고 싶으세제 센디베 다 차외 인니 담배 취주하게 뒤주당 고가 매바 니마 인생 배 탐제 지금 센디베게 차와 다 든데질레 인마음 든데 야나 가시지 변에 키버 포모드데 이미나 다 든데게 차와 랑게 초된데 다 든데게 직된베 차와질 라레디에 인주스타네 든데 지된 차와 텔레야 아니 추즈망 거르세 에 추즈르 고가메 든데 순고아래 다 대야 미곤베 예배 나누다 요 말하디 이나데 미곤바질 정게 와르차서 넘기면 되래야 미곤바 구바서 미곤바 구바
Now, in addition to these 8, or one might be free of these 8 lacks of leisure or unleisured states, and yet and one might have a human body but be unable to bring oneself to practice the Dharma, or unable to really devote oneself to the Dharma. And if that is the case, no matter how fine the basis, your body may be, if it is not a basis that you can use to practice the Dharma, then that is a lack of leisure. And so we could say that this is a 9th unleisured state. And so what this means is that you may be free of the 8 lacks of leisure or unleisured states, but in this human life you might be really distracted, as we say in English. You get really busy with all the affairs of this life. We have too many things to do. We are distracted by the affairs of this life, and because of that we have no opportunity or no time to really practice the Dharma. And so if we find that we are spending all day and all night distracted by worldly affairs and by the affairs of this life, then that is a lack of leisure. In particular, for men and women householders, our livelihoods often depend upon worldly affairs, and because of that, we may have little opportunity to practice Dharma. And so this can be considered a 9th unleisured state. It's not one that is found in the traditional text, but we can say that it is the 9th lack of leisure.
Traditional text, Yorda.
My mistake. It is in traditional texts.
Today you stand da zo de tende da mikomba guvati wang dong mi dong tende mikomba guwe chang su zhu mo ju sa de cho ji ni de ji so so le go ga shu da ji choice dang wan bu ji yong de ya de tende you stand ji ga shu la bar do 근데 럽도 중앙 김바테스를 찍잖아 당화시라요 말해 이내 럽도 중앙에서 당원에서는 수수의 뒤주에다 미세 강상 미세 실부디 담배취 냠내치아체도 르땅배 인스가 없다 아드레인 주사 이비네야 다 진상도 김바다라도 중앙시다 개발을 매대게 루지 우마이나 지 김바다라도 중앙라 개발하래 라도 중앙에서 되ny와 차원ny와 비지고 다 진상 네 라도 중앙에서 바지 삼삼 김발레 되마와 차마 가시에 라도 중앙 가시에 아주 별이야 미장기 아반더지 차네 아바 운에도 차마르디나 고 왕자디디디 제 미장디나 장사점나 콜라기지 미장디나 강바점나 콜라기지 송점나 콜라기지 내 강가로 그 주도를 제지 다그 마지 까르 나가세 나들이 지거래 제산 디균전 때네 디상 라우드 중에 있는데 용대도 다들 예 다디사 라우드 중 직바를 렌도서 김바를 라우드 중에다 제발 수수용외네 오늘 전에 천년 준비를 맞잖아 다파 더블 차도도 아 레주산 디균전 때네 라우드 중에 저기 당 아주 가데랑베 시조체에서 수만한시 다나신게 아주 벽이 카벨레야 되는 동대 저대 되대사 가자 되기지죠 딱 가데랑 시조체에서도 람사야 란 저저저 긴단다면지 셈레야 지 가르에 신샤 체고서로부터 된다는 잘라 사람 모르는데 간거 말았어 저저저 되저저 로 뎀볼레 되는지 거 저저저 되저저 르다 차와 통초초 되는지 거 알았어 대주산에다 대조디 다고 가서야 내가 안서 수술을 주시 나 수술용에네 대대 미군 보고에게 장수 쭉뭐 쭉사 수술을 할래 되게 소리 같이 사대기 유서 성유
Now, for the ninth of these unleisured states, is whether we have that unleisured state, whether we fall under its power or not, is really, to a certain degree, it is our own choice. It's our own choice about this. In particular, for monastics. Now, for householders, you may not have choice for it. But for monastics, then actually we should be devoting our entire lives to the Dharma. But when you look at it these days, sometimes it seems like there perhaps is not such a great difference between monastics and householders. Now, in the past, there was a great difference between the two, and monastics had fewer things to do, fewer worries. But now sometimes it seems that monastics have more worries and more things to do. In particular, in Tibet, sometimes a monk in the house will become like the father of the house. They aren't the actual father in the house, but they take that role and take that power. And if someone is going to get married, you ask the monk. If someone is going to build a house, you ask the monk. If someone is going to build a house, you ask the monk. And so he ends up looking after everything, pay attention to everything, has to direct what happens. And so when this happens, then the monastics really become exactly the same as the householders. Actually, it really depends upon yourself. And if you come under, if this happens to you, then it's really being a monastic is almost exactly the same as being a householder. As it has been said in the past, really for monastics, they should be able to stay if they're going to stay or go if they're going to go. They should not be attached to different things. They should not have anything that will distract them. If they need to stay someplace, they just stay. If they need to go someplace, they just go. They're ready to forget about any other things that they may need to do. And so in this way, this ninth unleisured state is really something that depends upon ourselves and depends on whether we allow it to happen to ourselves or not.
다들 인주산 타와게디 내가 첨부 있어래. 제상 티 카시에 나로리아 타와게 차는 저버주 상상이 이내 저버주 차나 타와게 차외게 예봐요 말했어. 근데 소년데 언제 요래. 제상 타와게디 계십시지. 자대 요래. 다디 조디 타와게사데 취주빈 개겐다 제외 차네 숨버르지 저버주사데 취주비 튕겐상에 튕게 상에 주쇼네 숨버르 다디 차대 요래. 근데 주사네 야 가르쳐야지 타와게 야 참 누구 봐요 뭐봐 다고 딱서 당게 기저를 쉐비면 신입이 기저를 쉐네 개개 대성식이 초연은 다 일본 거라야 되네 미국 바게라 다 대화인 비지지 담을 쉐용다 다 들린 주사는 개개 대성식이 미셔봐 전 디단을 튕게 신앙기 튕게 취주비 튕게 상고바이 말했어 다 될래야 되는 저버주 손주사네 될라 신조롱아 란조롱아 수고하래 될래야 당기 권두시원은 신 취주비 치 튕게 대 신조롱아 취주비 남기 튕게인데 란조롱아 네말
Now, these 8 states, these 8 lacks of leisure, the 8 leisures, are really a very important point. In some instruction manuals, it says that if you have all 8 of these leisures, then you automatically have all of the 10 resources. But even if you have all 10 of the resources, you may not definitely have all of the 8 leisures. And so it is important for us to think about all the leisure states. Briefly, the 8 leisured states are talking about being free of the impediments to practicing the Dharma, whereas the 10 resources are discuss the same thing in terms of the positive direction, having all the facilities to practice this. And then, of course, there also is some discussion that if something has all of the 8 leisures, then that doesn't necessarily mean that you necessarily have the opportunity to practice the Dharma. For example, with the 8 leisures, then you might say that a rabbit horn has the 8 leisures, has the opportunity to practice Dharma because it has the 8 leisures and so forth. But generally, what we're saying is that we need to have all of the favorable conditions for practicing Dharma, both the external and the internal conditions. And so these are the 10 resources. With the 10 resources, we have the 5 that one must achieve personally and the 5 that come from outside circumstances. And so the 5 that come from outside circumstances are the external conditions, and the 5 that we must achieve personally are the internal conditions.
저번에 랑게 저번가 생이 저번가 주대라 랑게 저번가 지게 미니 위게 왕부터 레타 말로 내려대 제바 남소 텔 미니니 민는다 개바냐바 개바도 분명히 왕부터 내고 유유스 개바 개바 담는 된도 예배 살 개바 왕부 상안에 렘바도 고바 많이 받에 개외 쳐주베 개바여고 내려 대바네 템베송베 담베치 두와 까르베치 던지기네서 교발 대바오 레기 타말로바는 천절에 참매를 내 맞아봐. 생긴 저방 안에 상계 지든도 저만 담배 최대마도 최대만은 내바나 최내바는 예수 저 생긴 인사 제바 여바와 대다로 신이 주부 대다다 때문에 저로 필수 소바는데 제샤 대다 텐조는 인소바데 밀류름 붙이 이노.
So the 10 resources or endowments are divided into 2 groups, the 5 qualities that one must achieve personally and the 5 that come from outside circumstances. The 5 to achieve personally are being human, being born in a central country, having all the senses, not reverting to evil deeds, and having devotion for the teachings. What does being human mean? It means that one should have the organs, the male or female organs. A central country refers to a place where there is a chance to attend holy persons. Having all the senses or faculties means being free from muteness or stupidity, and having a chance to practice the virtuous Dharma. Having devotion for the teachings means having faith that the Vinaya taught by the Buddha is the basis for all Dharma practice. Not reverting to evil deeds means not committing any heinous crimes in this lifetime. The 5 qualities that come from outside circumstances are: a Buddha has appeared in the world, a Buddha taught the precious Dharma, the Dharma that was taught continues, and there are followers of the Dharma which continues, and there is love and kind support from others. Thus, when one has all 10 qualities, 5 from oneself and 5 from outside, they are called the 10 excellent endowments or resources. When these 2, leisure and resources, are present, it is called a precious human life.
Telaya kabdilia dene rangjornga ki dumsi di sungyoare. Ina shenjornga ki dumsi di sungyoamane. Shenjornga e dene dumsi di mebe indusane da yena yabudus. Adje da go yena yabudus amne. Uma jikchine yene chesong dene is si mendosa ar dene shin di yondi gare. Ta kanda kebas kemindo. Da telaya 당연 디지털하잖아.
Now here in the text there is a summary verse listing the five leisure that one must achieve personally. There is no such circumstances. And so sometimes we might think, well, it would be good if there were such a verse. And in the past it's of course possible then left out somehow, but it is not certain.
Otatri bin dusane takam delia mi mis lagade changju lamjung negolia khansa sums masungse sums lagwa sungwa gimzen de kwatu dersana kibugi kedede Purush saade o samjin nubaleava karakuarab lenche joba chudrube gola misa so loi nubeti ni joyeba madobe yar ding ni kamba ni zun ro zamshigi a chen ne go lia de baji yar ding ni ene baji 가서 이제 격에 벽에 잡아 zamshigi 다 디 가서 chudrube golde di 야딩네 도와서시 chudrube 시라 편도 요 말와 다 loi ni bo 지중 거는 저거 요데 다 조든 지시샤
Now here, when we talk about humans in the Lamp for the Path to Enlightenment by Atisha, there is discussion of the 3 types of persons, and the reason for talking about this really comes down to this. When we talk about the meaning of the word human, it comes from the Sanskrit. In Sanskrit, it is called Purusha. And Purusha in Sanskrit refers to the potential or the capacity. And this is primarily not the physical capacity of the body or speech. Instead, it refers to the capacity of mind. It refers to whether one has the capacity or the power of mind to be able to practice the Dharma. And so when we're talking about, in this context of talking about Dharma practice, it's primarily, when we say human, we are talking about the mental capacity. We're not talking about your ability to stand up and do things with your body or speech. Primarily, the main point here is that in order to practice the Dharma, it depends upon your mental abilities.
다들아 미니 사데 아 미니 위제 사데 유유텔이야 뇌진 나로라 뇌지다 미다 숨즈를 숨고 아래서
Now, it also says here, being born in a central country, and in the different instructions.
다 장보대 서식이 유유사데 서식이 유유사데 사체기 유유사데 사체기 위의 타사 기시오레 나디나로래야 다든 뒤에 나로는 샤도 리가 신비다 지금 망보치 소아 다디서 망보시에 먹어체 단 너는 개방하면 야알이야 어른 뒤에 만다 가서 니들 아야 퉁고르지 시아제 퉁고르 나로래야 점린 첨보든 점린 충무사지 니소아래 점린 첨보사다 버지 링 중된게 링 주그 등이 쟁게 단 점린데 점리 첨보스 근데 점리 충무사다 버지 야가랑 고 야 제가 뭐最近 점리 사데 배치하다 버지 야가랑 고면을 섬으셔 전부 뒤입사 제가 단 점리 사나라도 야가사나도 다들이야 유유다 초시디 나요라서 다 유유디 조 망가다 총진이 무시하래 제가 유망가다래 유망가다들이야 유유체 되네 초시디 제가 유유 서지기 유유사다 유망가다 야르기 예 롱베게 터유 기시요래 마도 벽 롱베 터유 기시요 말에 다디 야르기 유 서지기 와도 제 유유다 야르도스데 난 도지데서는 다 망가다 디브레
Now, one way of describing a central land is to talk about it geographically. And so this is talking about it in terms of the places, the geographical location. And there's much discussion of this in the Vinaya and the other literatures. But in general here, when we're talking about it, it often refers to India. In the Kala Chakra, there is a discussion of a greater and a greater Jambudvipa, or greater world. This refers to the entire world with 6 continents and so forth. And when you talk about the lesser Jambudvipa, this refers, the word Jambudvipa, or world we sometimes translate it as, refers to India. And so when we talk about here, when we talk about Jambudvipa, what we mean is India. And so there are the north, south, east, and west, the 4 regions. And the central region refers to the land of Magadha, the ancient city that for central country in terms of the, or central land in terms of the geographical. What we mean is Magadha, which is the central land in India.
다드네 추식이 왕도 제백이 유사데 롱 파마니 겐 무슨아 다 조데 코르남바 교에게 예배다 교암 조데 된데게다 사조들이야 추식이 유유스와.
And then by the Dharma, judging it by the Dharma, then this depends on there being the 4-fold community of bhikshus, bhikchunis, and male lay precept holders and female lay precept holders. If all of them are present, if they all move about in that land or present in that land, then having that 4-fold community in Dharma terms is the central country.
어다들이 인주산에 다 디걸이야다 지르주마 양도스다 게로마데 저버치부차데요네 드네 뉴스한다 디고를 rob지 쉬나 야고면서 섬증이
And this, of course, has a great connection with nuns in general, and in particular with bhikshunis. And so it would be good to speak.
취직이 유유선을 유매다. 다들이야 티 가시는 거다 버디 chuyending 신감이 있고 용라를 차디 윈두산에 다 버디 chuyending 신감이 받아 취직 유유 뭐 두용두산에 다 버를 gelong마 용라를 gelong마 사지 매비 인두산에 다들 김semong 보스존제 어다 gelong마데 gelong파라라 레비 인두사 gelong파 예비 인자 아니 gelong파 고쳐놓았어 사르바다 다나신 기주마예비 인자 기주메 고쳐를 사르바다 다나신기 gelong파 천교한데 gelong파 천교 gelong마차선데 요레스 데레 예비 인자한테 고쳐를 사르바다 간다 dinjegi ji garure ji ti dinde nala de shi sundamenta de on the yare.
And so in terms of the Dharma, whether land is central or not depends upon the fourfold community being present. And so when discussing this in terms of the land of Tibet, whether it is a central country, then is a central land in this respect. But then there's the question of the bhikshunis, because there are no in Tibet. And so many people give reasons for why, even though there are not bhikshunis, Tibet is still a central land. Some people say that the bhikshuni sangha is dependent upon the bhikshu sangha, and therefore, since there's a bhikshu sangha, then it can be understood as a central land. Others say that since there are novice nuns, that can be understood as fulfilling the meaning of bhikshuni, and therefore it can be understood as a central land. Other people will say that since there have been male bhikshus who've had spontaneous sex changes and therefore become bhikshunis, that therefore you can say that Tibet is a central land. And basically, in the different instructions, in the different manuals, there are various explanations of this.
That the Hindustani then Karsadi that Teleanco Tras Gelon Yore Geloma Yores Ming Tazum Shimaiba Legi Chok number Tawa Yavata Tana Singi Shisungi Chalen La Sobe Chalen number Tawa Yava that Indiji Yavato Gurava that the Hindustani that the ngumaya ta lo jara mangbo ta te kochugyu chene ta ga gizuma de de kochugyu chen de de ta ine ta be mutu ni ji ga shu da ji oner tin tin ji ga shu ta chap ben ta phele ya ben de or phege meng na lo la phele de ne ben na ra me ba phele phege yu top ga we gi me menze tin de 다 민규인데 땅고도다 면세 가시 벽을 유일하다 저거 말이야 벽을 개방하면 다 미자 축보들 라마 첨보들 데스 다른 분들 벽에 유나만 다 뒤주 첩려야지 되게 첩래 담담을 봐 주시한 된 잡어 니바데 차상어도 야만 된다 원더들 봐지 면세나 당사 다 대상 아주 양알을 줄레스도 자네 고란디 나 벽을 유일하 말아봐서 저거에 인사 하는 가지 가랑 바쳐오르마다 우마네 디 룩스레스다 맞아 룩스에 딘지 민지 디 첩 딘지 민지 쪽으로 고은에고 라나디 페마르 첩디 쪽으로 했잖아 구보주 기절 왔다 된다면 쟤네 다다다 봐도 고추유전로 망볼 고추유 대버에 되는 근데 지금 룩투야 예버지다 근데 고급 예버지 근데 저 고급 예버 이나네 안데 고디 첩텔에도 뭐마치 좋는 저 yakar wadri Hindustani di junzayana ten ta kanda 가수의 경험아 다든지 지과의 계속도 제제 네 다도 공식 경고심 초기 가수 된대기다 공식 야심보당 다는 신기 표기 가수다 추규지메게 개발수 될라 통난신묘관은 롤링낭 라랑기 가수에다 투 공소 가야바 되게 되바 수년 다다바도 딱하나 나랑 비장할 말에 건디 기자디 유서래 버지 로니슈즈 롤링 차이 잘했어 로니슈즈 심죽체는 롤링 체네 다다야한지 타셔라마절러듯이 내르지 타셔라마절러서 말다 자 미션들이 시다야 말이나 타제 미분 서 말다 타제 미시밤 다가 괜찮지 않을까 가다 딘데는 비체네 내가로 두세제 하고 두세비 말에
And so it's important for us to have bhikshunis, not just in name, not just nominally, but we need to have bhikshunis who are fulfilling all of the rituals of the bhikshunis, who are able to maintain the practice of the three foundational rituals. This is necessary. And so in the past, we have had to make do with representatives or representatives. That's not the actual ones, and so we've continued that. But it would be better to have the actual bhikshunis rather than just a representation of them or a nominal bhikshuni sangha. And it's like in Tibetan medicine. In the past in Tibet, there were many medicines that were difficult to obtain, that they didn't grow better. You couldn't find them in Tibet. And other than for people who were very high lamas, it was very difficult to get these medicines. And so instead of getting these difficult to attain medicines, what they would do is they'd make a concoction of other herbs and medicines that would then have a similar effect, maybe not as powerful, but a similar effect to the actual medicine, and use that. Now that we can get the actual medicine, there's no point in using the substitute for the medicine. And so in that way, this way, if we are able to have the actual thing, isn't that much better than having the substitute? Only a fool would say that it would be better to, or saying that that because we have the substitutes that it's fine. That is what only fools would say. And so, for that reason, I think that that rather than using substitutes, it is better to have the actual real Gelongma Bhikshuni Sangha. Now, it is important for us to have the Bhikshuni Sangha. This is something that His Holiness the Dalai Lama has put much effort into it. And also the great scholars of all the lineages have taken great interest in it, and there has been a lot of discussion over this issue. There have been several conferences that have been called on this. In fact, these conferences have begun since well before I came to India. It's probably been 20 years of discussion and further research, and still people are unable to come to a decision about this issue. So I'm not sure whether it's that people are unable to come to a decision, or that they don't dare to come to a decision, or don't know how to come to a decision. And so that is the state that we are in this now.
다들 주사 카시에 삼년 나노 겔로마사디 도마 다 버지 예나미나 개바시다 메댕에로치 다디 겔로마사 기지 망부시에 대하다 조디 치게다 주마 다든지 가시지기 때문에 구주기 치게의 따와를 그렇지 치게의 포먼다냐 뭐 따와콘데 구주께 땀네 난다면에 제 드니 신이지 겔로마사디지 가족이 개첨부선한 장도 참여 도난 인연다 갤로마스 다시 유엔나 유에장 쳐라 매장 쳐관도지 근데는지 culturally imber something or de in a nge something now chavina the ji zawan in the ray or mare ngaranche ham culture ham or mashiver ma the nenga chu chadi are.
Some people might think that it really doesn't matter whether there are bhikshunis or not. They might think that it's because of foreign nuns who've come and who have a thought about the equality of men and women, and that only under the influence of the foreign nuns has the bhikshuni issue become important. And before that, it was not considered an important issue. And so people think this way, but in my opinion, it is not that way at all. Rather, it is a question that either we did not understand or we did not know. And this is an important point.
There consider shubina gigi temba nade ambition due temba yemayola ambition due temba there zodi due shisumji chale yeme tenejile twins due shisumji chale number tawaji teneji Sangi temba mebe Gevolan etole sangi temba nubre so due temba nuba Mata sanga temba desu la debe kisi yare Cheza ta due shisungi chalen ta geba solo chashawina Taba geba raudu chunga solo chashawina Ta due shisungi chalen azu pyo nalolea Pyo nandele due shisungi chalen Duane, Chigi Sheva, Nanshinji, Jasa Jatambachite, Yomarati, Yina, Kalakansam to Jor, Kalakansam Yor, the Jugutu Sar Jor. Yina, Pumegi Tela, Duishizum Chane, the baby, Duana Sumati, Yomata. They made you sane, Pak is about the Cosweta Baji, Shoots and Andado, Yana, because the Hambachazar Shena. And for making the Sangi Dama, Maris Lane, did him. Today, you stop for making the Sangi Demaguina, that for making the Duishism Chale, Chasawaji, Jawad, Richardi Are, Duishism Chale, Chasawa Chevella, Geroma Manathan, Pumegi, Shizum Chale on the bed. I drain you stand Tigunzel Dene, Tigunzel Den Nakanda, Nangachimbo Jig, Chadi, get something here.
In many texts, it says that what determines whether the teachings of the Buddha are present in the country, it depends upon whether the teachings of the Vinaya, the Dharma Vinaya, are present in that country or not. And that depends upon whether there is the practice of the three foundational rituals. And so if there is the practice of the three foundational rituals, then the teachings of the Buddha are present. And if the practice of the three foundational rituals, that is the Vinaya rituals of doing the Sojong or Poshada, the Varsha retreat, and the Gae, the release of strictures, if these three are not present, then the teachings of the Buddha are not present. When we talk about how the evil king Langdharma wiped out the teachings of the Buddha from Tibet, primarily we are referring to the Buddha. The teachings of the secret mantra of Vajrayana did remain in Tibet. They were extant in Tibet. But primarily, when we say the teachings were wiped out, it refers to the Vinaya. And so now, if we think about it in terms of male practitioners, we have the trainings in the three foundational rituals, and so they are there. It's not, of course, 100% exactly the same as described in the Vinaya, but there is something that we can point to and say, yes, we do have these three basic or foundational rituals. Yet, for women, we can say that we don't have the three foundational rituals, certainly not as described in the Vinaya. And in the Vinaya, this is primarily because there are no bhikkshunis, and without bhikkshunis, you cannot automatically have these rituals. And so we can say that for women, we can say that on a female body, there are no Buddhist teachings truly for the female body. And so in order to have that, we need to establish the 3 foundational rituals. And in order to do that, we must have, if we do not have the Bhikkhuni Sangha, then we will not be able to establish those 3 foundational rituals. And so this is one critical point that we need to understand.
Today, Tinsang Manzu, my Tatu since out of the Natang to this Sienama, the Yosmata. Tindu, Manzu gave up the Chasa Vimina. And Manzu gave up the Lia, Tresor Mavina. Manzu gave up the functions of Lagaja Cheshia Yamana. Tangazu Tenasita, Mazu the Trezo Homayel, Trezo Homa Mabado Charlie. Parsuji. The Medusan, the Galome, the Medusane, Legazan Cheshin, Legachema Shemadoji. The way she's so much channel sobe, Lega, Chad Susan, Cheshem Mashemado, Dichade. That then got Nibati Caressana. Galome de Baby Indusana, Telatene, Tene Pume Gitena. Rajun Druve goes Kalahawel. Pela Tene Pumegi Tela Galongo made Dombaza de Pajol Dene, Pajol Dene, Pagin, Pajol Dene, Pajol Dene, Samata, Pajol Dene, Samata, Pagin, Pagin, that Lake Church and Galoma Domba. Na de shore teni tsoba jin chasu duwa tungu mindus ta tene pai ginjun le tene gizume domba nang are ta kedi gelome pai ginjun tene gelome domba na de tsoba jin yimbe di shugi de pai ginjun tene gizume domba na de ta jasa jata tsoba meba chi dutya kala The Nedustan, the Rob the Shoegi, Domba, Jinduan and Suman and Shinjigi, Nizigi, Pume, the Rob the Shoegi, Domba, Na dea, Galoma Mavina. That's over Mavajidan. Monet and sending to Jiwadi, Kalakavashachadi. The day in Dusanta, and the Chado, young King Jimberjoa. And the Industan, the Gunzel Dene, and the Galoma Sadguadi, Nanga Niberdi.
Actually, my time is up, but there's some things that I need to say, so I'm going to continue to say them now. Now, there is there's a second important point here about this. In a modern democracy these days, if there's no consensus, you are unable to get anything done. You have to build the consensus, and so you have to have, and then you have the higher and the lower chambers and so forth of a democracy. But without the bhikkhunis, then it's like we're missing one of the houses of our government. We're unable to actually get anything done. And so in the second point now is that without a bhikkhuni sangha, it is very difficult to truly give the monastic vows to women. Now, in Tibet, when we talk about the Bhikkhu Sangha, there is debate as to whether the Bhikkhu Sangha is able to give the Bhikkhuni ordination to women or not. And so there are some who say that the Bhikkhu Sangha is able to follow the ritual text and give it, and there are some who are not. But there's a great debate about this. And so if there is debate as to whether the Bhikshu Sangha is able to give the Bhikshuni vow or not, then automatically it also becomes disputed as to whether the Bhikshu Sangha is able to give the novice nun ordination as well. It's difficult to say this to be 100% undisputed. And so if we are going to have monastic communities as described in the Vinaya for women, and we want to have, if we have a Bhikshuni Sangha, then we can give undisputed monastic vows. But otherwise, if we do not, it will be difficult to give us difficult for us to give any monastic vows that are 100% that are 100% free of dispute. And so, for that reason, this is another important reason or important point for the Bhikshuni ordination.
Tadalamsanji seva shuas kemindo ta ine de nenga shimru chade yare ta dinge de shungmi jema shwi ta khandar ya thenje ge nenga la de ne dene geloma za de keshmores de keshmi ba danga so ha gu ru ma do be ya dangi gong de shubene sin dinde jigi ta mi khashe jigi da zuma khashe jigi jigi zuma khashe jigi ge jam They take the Galomegi issues summer, Nizudi, Chimbrucha, Ketchimburcha, some other thing, and which that Ketchum mean they were sort of shit in this, it's all in the charm. That they Ketchum Mazabati, good. An answer in any Manjum, but I travel jail, Marzuman jail, Mata, Taman jail, Matati, Gunrush, the Indusane, the Gunzentene, Tati Catray, Donna. Donna, Carjway, Kazanguma Shujure, Sangi Demba Zimberchevalea, Lavasungi Yamle Chatsawach quarters. Lavasunginang, the Toma de Carasane, Surim Yelavare, Surim Yelava, the Yonsu was go out. And go jump to it, some tarde, never zobe park, Surim Yelava Yonsu was go. Yonsu Zobazi Meva. And then the Yonsu Zobazi Meva in Dusana, and the Sangi Demo Yonsu Zobazi Zintuadi, Kalakabshtacha de Ore. And then you stand the Deacons and Dene, and Zamadel Kashre de go Keshimimade. That the Keshimimade, Keshi singing, I be Junzel Dene, Keshiminski Omare. And they imbinea de Tendadi, da Keshimimade. Gunzen sometimes can answer Gunzen go away. Kitchen some tango. Tene, oh yeah.
There are other important points as well, and I'm not sure I can explain them clearly. I will explain them later. I can't explain them clearly now, but I will try to explain them later. But the situation now with the Bhikshuni is an important one, and we need to understand that it is an important issue. Now, as I mentioned earlier, some people think that there have been some foreign nuns who've come over and started making an issue out of it, and it's only then that the Bhikshuni issue has become an important question. Before that, it wasn't important. But that's really not at all how it was. The fact that it was not an important issue before is our fault. It's our problem, and it's not, and it's ourselves not living up to our own responsibility. And this is for monks and nuns both. We have not, we have both let this slide. So it is all of our responsibility. And so, as I explained yesterday, if we're going to be someone who upholds the teachings of the Buddha, it is important for us to have all three trainings in the Buddhist teachings. And the first of these three trainings is the training in discipline. And we need to have the complete training in discipline. We need to have the complete training all the way from taking the vows of refuge all the way up through full ordination. And without that, it is very difficult for us to be someone who can uphold the Buddhist teachings in their entirety. And so it is important that we all understand that this is an important issue. But you should not think that it is merely an important issue because the person who's talking about the me says it is important. Instead, it is important for you to think about the meaning and consider the reasons for this.